Redmi 13 5G Prime Edition smartphone. It is available in colors, diamond black, Hawaiian blue, and orchid pink. It features 8GB RAM and has 128GB internal storage. This smartphone has large 17.24cm Full HD plus 120Hz adaptive sync display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, TUV Rhineland low blue light, TUV flicker free, TUV circadian friendly, and wet finger touch display. It has 108MP f/1.75 dual camera with 3x in sensor zoom, classic film filters, portrait, night mode, HDR, 108MP mode, time-lapse, Google Lens, macro video and 13-megapixel selfie camera. This smartphone features Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 Accelerated Edition, octa-core processor for high performance, up to 2.3 GHz, Android 14 with Xiaomi, Hyper OS, up to 12GB RAM, including 6GB virtual RAM. It has massive 5030 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging feature, and Type-C connectivity.